Are you a student struggling to save money? Imagine having an extra $100 each month. What could you do with that? Let's discover how to make it happen, even without a job. Saving money can feel impossible while studying. With tuition, books, and living expenses, your budget shrinks. But don't worry, there are simple ways to save without working extra hours. First, start by tracking your expenses. Keep a journal or use an app. Write down every purchase, big or small. You'll quickly see where your money goes. This insight is crucial for identifying savings areas. Next, create a budget. It doesn't need to be complicated. Divide your monthly expenses into categories. Essentials like food and bills should be prioritized first. Set limits for each category to keep spending in check. Now, let's focus on reducing those expenses. Start with food. Meal prepping saves time and money. Buy groceries in bulk and cook at home. This not only saves cash but is healthier too. Consider cutting unnecessary subscriptions. Streaming services, magazines, or gym memberships can add up. Cancel what you don't use regularly. You'll be surprised at how much you can save. Next, use student discounts. Many retailers offer discounts for students. Always ask before purchasing. It's a simple way to stretch your dollar further. Also, look for ways to earn rewards. Apps and websites offer cashback on everyday purchases. Use these tools to earn money back without changing your spending habits. Let's talk about transportation. If you can walk or bike to class, do it. This improves health and saves on gas or public transport costs. If necessary, consider carpooling with friends. Furthermore, find ways to socialize without spending. Host game nights or movie marathons at home. Fun doesn't have to mean spending. Explore free campus events to meet new friends too. Now, let's put this all together. By tracking your expenses, creating a budget, and finding cost-cutting options, saving $100 a month becomes achievable. Remember, every small saving adds up over time. Re-evaluate your spending regularly to stay on track. In summary, saving money while studying is possible. You can reach that $100 target with discipline and creativity. Focus on budgeting, meal prepping, and utilizing discounts. Ready to give it a try? Start your savings journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below.